Hi guys, what's that? Is that a new book?
Who's there? That's almost Abba. You ready? You want a surprise?
They're gonna press the record button by accident.
No, they're not. Okay. What's that? That's the speaker. Okay, ready?
Nice kisses.
Ready?
When we can't be together, there are lots of things that make me feel
Don't press the button. Ready? Next page. Do you hear Safta's voice? What's next?
I smile every time I see a drawing that you made for me.
Oh.
Is that Saba?
Who's this now?
Talking to you on the phone or computer always makes my day.
Safta. Ready? Next page. Mommy has to do it.
And I love to look at pictures of us having fun together.
Oh, Saba said it.
I even think of you when I eat your favorite food.
Mmm.
Whenever I say goodnight to the moon, I wonder if you're saying goodnight too.
Oh, say night-night to the moon. What's it say?
When I'm away, I can't wait to be with you again. But even when we're far apart, we're always together at heart.
Oh, that's nice.
The end.
Is that nice, Kiwi? Do you miss Saba and Safta? Start
Did
over.
you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say thank you? Elmo.
Can you give Elmo a kiss? Give Elmo a kiss. Give Elmo a kiss. Oh, nice. Good kisses. Me, yeah, we know.
Don't press that button. Don't press that button. They should have a deactivate spec.
Don't let him touch it. Don't let him touch it.
This is a really special.
Did they mess it up? Sarah, he's gonna record over it.
Did you stop the recording?
No, shut up.